Yeah, good day, my students. You are welcome to this platform. I am by name Peter Awu. Today I'm going to be discussing the topic perimeter of plane ships. Of course, you know what perimeter is. Perimeter is the distance surrounding any shape. That is, perimeter is the distance surrounding any given shape. Right? So perimeter is the distance surrounding any given shape. For example, here on the board, I have a rectangle. This is a rectangle, and one of the properties of a rectangle is that the opposite sides are equal. This side is called the length, and while the other side here is called the breadth. Right. The length is longer than the breadth. Now, in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. That means if from this point to this point is 10 cm, what it means is that from this point to this point is also 10 cm. So I will say that here also is 10 cm. Now look at the breadth. If from this point to this point is 4 cm, it also means that from this point to this point also is 4 cm. By this, it becomes very simple for me to calculate my perimeter. That is the distance surrounding this shape. So if I have to start here to walk around this rectangle, it means I will go here from this point to this point, which is 10 cm. At this point, I will move to this point. I will also move. So if I decide to label them as A, B, C, D, that means I will start my journey from A, I'll move up to B, from B I'll move up to C, from C I move to D, and then I go back to the starting point, which is A. That means I must have to add all the dimensions here. So I will say my perimeter is equal to the length plus the breadth plus the length plus the breadth. Okay? That means, look at it, I will collect my like terms. That means length plus breadth plus breadth. So length plus length gives me 2 length, and breadth plus breadth gives me 2 breadth. So you can see my perimeter gives me 2 times of length plus 2 times of breadth. All right, lovely. Note that my length is represented with letter L and my breadth is represented with letter B. So by collecting the like terms here, that means my perimeter is 2. 2 is common. Open your bracket, write your L plus breadth. So this forms the formula for finding perimeter of a rectangle. So this is my formula. Okay, so that's how we derive the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle. So the formula is P is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. So by implication, I'm going to work now to find the perimeter of the rectangle above. That is going to be perimeter is equal to, watch, 2, open your bracket. What is the length? See the length. The length is 10 cm. I write my 10 plus breadth. What is my breadth? Look at my breadth is 4. So I come down here. I write my 4. Close your bracket. So 10 plus 4 gives me 14. That is 2 bracket 14. Right? So my perimeter is going to be 2 times 14 because bracket also means times. So 2 times 14 gives me 28 centimeter. So you see, it is as simple as this. This is how we find perimeter of plane shapes. Now I will equally solve some other problems. It's a very, very simple topic, but